Yes, welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I am Rico. Today we're going to show you a variation of one of the classic drinks from the 90s, which is the fresh fruit martini. And using fresh fruit in drinks back in the early 90s really paved the way for many of the modern drinks that you're drinking today. And the one we're going to do today, the Pineapple Martini. Super simple, super fresh. Don't forget to click and subscribe at the bottom, guys. You do not want to miss one of these videos. Pineapple juice is so thick. It gives a real nice velvety mouthfeel to the drink. This is a shaken drink, so we're gonna get our little shaker out. You remember this from the shaken video? We're gonna start with our smallest cup first, and we're always gonna start with our cheapest ingredient. We're gonna take 50 mils of fresh pineapple juice. I'm making 2 drinks here now, guys, so I'm gonna double up in the shaker. Next up, we've got the Absolut Vodka, the star of the show, the beautiful Swedish produce. We want to stick 40 mils per drink into this. There we go, beautiful. Another thing you can do, which is going to give it a little bit more of a heavier texture, rather than going out and buying some fresh pineapple juice, maybe you just want to chop up some chunks. And remember the muddler, just muddle away, smash that pineapple up, just like using pineapple juice. Remember, when you're doing any form of shaking, you want to pack the shaker with as much ice as possible. And then you want to do like so. Then shake it like you hate it, guys. Ooh, that's what we want. We want to get that nice frothy head from the pineapple juice. We're going to do some nice martini glasses here, very Art Deco. Now, guys, don't forget. You don't want to miss one of these videos. As you can see, what we're doing right now is we're doing the old fine strain technique. That's because you don't want to make sure that you have none of these small chips of ice in there, because all that's going to do is just dilute your drink. And next up, we want to garnish this, make it look super pretty. So I'm just going to take 1, 2. We're going to stick these pineapple leaves straight in, and instantly the pineapple martini, guys. Get it shaken up to that perfect temperature, and you've got a sublime short martini drink, super fruity, that you can drink any time of the day.